We depend on hospitals to deliver the best clinical care possible, but sometimes the behind-the-scenes challenges can get in the way. Shrikar Yeruva, also known as Sam, is here to share how his company, Pycube, helps hospitals stay on track. Hi, Sam.
Hi, Elsa.
This is really interesting stuff. So tell us a little bit more about, first of all, the issue. What are some of the inefficiencies that hospitals are facing that most patients never see, but they might still be impacted by?
Well, these health systems are very robust and clinically advanced, and they have a physical side of the health hospital that is not digitized. I always give an analogy of an old house that is 1920s built. It works, functions, but today's digital hospital, digital home, if you look at it, it's all intelligent, and you'll see when the lights are on, when the garage is open.
A lot more advanced.
A lot more advanced. So the physical side of the hospitals don't have those tools to actually use it.
Oh,
That's where we are trying to fill the gap and make it more intelligent, efficient, so they can have better patient care.
Very smart. So explain how Pycube uses AI to then help hospitals run smoothly.
AI is used in many different ways. So when we collect the information from different areas of the operations, we try to make them more intelligent and smart on the efficiency part of it. There are many moving parts in the hospital. Where are my assets? Where are my sample specimens in the pathology labs? They keep moving around. Blood keeps moving around. So there are many inefficiencies. Almost about 25 to 30% of the health systems today spend on operations and administration. That cost, the entire cost of it. It's almost about $1 billion that they actually have wastage in our health systems. AI today is able to look at those pieces, and we are able to actually provide solutions where they're intelligently looking at what is happening in real time and solving those problems.
And then talk about the impact of those solutions on the entire health systems that we're seeing.
Tremendous, because it reduces costs, it improves revenue, it does a tremendous amount of work on better patient care, and ultimately, it's patient safety, better patient care, and better outcomes for the patient.
And with healthcare constantly changing, where do you look for hospitals to improve their operations, I would say maybe in the next 3 to 5 years?
Well, I am very optimistic about how healthcare is moving towards, where is it moving and what is happening there. I think they've always been a laggard in technology adoption previously. But with AI and new ways how we're moving forward, I'm very optimistic that it's a long way to go. But in 3 to 5 years, I think substantial amount of health systems would actually make their processes digitized and start adopting AI at some level. And I see tremendous improvements in care within health systems as well.
It really is incredible to think what we're on the forefront of. How can our viewers learn more about you and your company?
Yes, we have a tremendous amount of information, wealth of information on our website, pycube.com. If any of the executives or anyone has more information, they can connect me on LinkedIn or reach out to me directly, and I can more than happy to chat with them.
All right. Thank you so much for being on our show, Sam. We really appreciate it. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.